Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest gadgets and accessories to see if they're really worth your money. Today, we're taking a close look at the Climberer 2-pack 4K Pro remote case cover, designed specifically for the ONN 4K Plus and Pro remotes. If you've ever fumbled around in the dark looking for your remote, this product promises to solve that problem with its glow-in-the-dark silicone design. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is how lightweight these covers are. Each one measures just over 5.5 inches in length and weighs less than 2 ounces, so they won't add any bulk to your remote. The Climberer covers are made from a flexible, shock-absorbing silicone that claims to protect your remote from drops of up to 3 feet, scratches, dust, and even minor spills. This material also has a textured, non-slip surface, which makes holding your remote much more secure. And the ultra-thin design ensures you don't lose that sleek, original feel of your remote. One of the standout features is the glow-in-the-dark functionality. The neon green and blue silicone charges under light and emits a bright glow in darkness. This makes it incredibly easy to spot your remote on a couch, table, or even under furniture without having to turn on the lights or use your phone flashlight. For families, or anyone who frequently misplaces their remote, this can save a lot of frustration, especially during late-night movie sessions. These cases are custom-engineered for the ONN 4K Plus and Pro remotes, including the models with the dedicated free TV button. The design ensures that all buttons, including the IR blaster, remain fully accessible and responsive. The covers fit snugly without slipping off, which is a crucial detail for anyone who relies on precision when controlling their streaming devices. Another perk is that this comes in a 2-pack, making it ideal for households with multiple remotes or for keeping a spare on hand. It's a small investment to protect your remote over the long term, preventing potential damage and extending the life of the device. In terms of aesthetics, the neon glow adds a fun, modern touch without being overly flashy. The colors are vibrant, and the silicone feels soft yet durable, giving the remote a comfortable grip while also standing out in low-light conditions. To summarize, the Climberer 4K Pro remote case covers provide practical protection, convenience, and a touch of style. They're lightweight, durable, and glow in the dark, solving one of the most common annoyances with streaming remotes: losing them in the dark. If you own an ONN 4K Plus or Pro remote and want to add a layer of protection while making it easier to find at night, these covers are definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech and accessories.